I have only ever hoped for one thing, a liberated Palestine from the illegal Israeli occupation. All men are born to die, we know it. We carry it with us always. If your day be today, so be it. Mine will be tomorrow. Oh, mine today, yours tomorrow, it matters not. What matters is that you know in your heart that you are the Palestinian resistance. You are Palestine, each and every one of you. Palestine is you.
It is the space between you.
Fight for yourself. Fight for that space. Fill that space.
Make it tissue. Make it mass. Make it manageable. Make it yours. Make it